In line with our brand philosophy of Soch ke banaya hai, the Godrej Aeon Allure series of top-loading washing machines come with many advanced features like roller coaster wash technology to eliminate the toughest stains and dirt with a 360-degree wash motion. Flexi Wash technology for greater flexibility and convenience through complete wash customizations. A 100% water-resistant digital control panel. An inbuilt water heater that delivers a hygienic and germ-free wash. Let us now explore each of the buttons on the control panel. The power on-off button to switch the machine on or off. The preset wash buttons for quick selection of frequently used wash cycles like daily, heavy, delicates, whites and wool. The customize button for easy customization of wash programs. The left and right toggle button for easy switching between various options. The Eco Mode button that enables water savings of up to 44 liters of water per wash cycle. The Pause Start button for temporarily stopping or resuming the wash cycle. Let us take a closer look at the Flexi Wash customization features available on the control panel. The cloth load indicator auto detects the weight of the cloth load. The temperature setting option lets you select the water temperature as per the stain level on the clothes. For machines without an inbuilt heater, the temperature is preset to normal and the other two levels are disabled. The water level selection button lets you choose from 4 different settings depending on the quantity of clothes. In the preset wash mode, the water level is auto-set based on the load. However, you can add more clothes and adjust the water level as desired. The Start After option gives you the flexibility to delay the start of the wash cycle by up to 9 hours. The Soak option lets you choose from 3 soak settings of 0, 15 and even 30 minutes for heavily soiled clothes. In the preset wash modes, the wash, rinse and spin timings are auto-set by default. In the wash option, you can select from 14 different wash timings, starting from a minimum of 6 minutes up to 30 minutes in 2-minute increments. You can also set it to 0 minutes for clothes that have been pre-washed and need only rinse and spin cycles. The rinse option lets you choose from 6 levels depending on the amount of detergent used. For users with sensitive skin or for washing children's clothes, you can also set an extra rinse cycle to remove any detergent residue. The spin option lets you select from 13 different spin timings from 0 to 10 minutes in 1-minute increments or 15 minutes or 30 minutes. The 30-minute super dry spin timing can be set when you need quick drying of heavy clothes or for indoor drying. Let us see some examples of how easy it is to customize your wash cycle. For heavy blankets, you can set the pre-soak timing to 15 minutes, the wash timing to 16 minutes, rinse level to 3, and spin timing to 5 minutes. For delicate baby clothes, you can set the water temperature to warm, water level to 1, pre-soak timing to 15 minutes, wash timing to 6 minutes, rinse level to 2, and spin timing to 6 minutes. The tub clean function can be used once a month to clean the tub of any lint or stains, keeping your washing machine in optimum condition. For your peace of mind, the Child Lock feature locks all buttons during a wash cycle and can be activated by pressing and holding the Tub Clean button for 3 seconds. The inlay molding technology of the control panel ensures 0 gaps, so no water or dust can seep in, leading to enhanced durability and reduced maintenance costs. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and experience the latest in washing machines. Godrej Aeon Allure washing machines. सोच के बनाया है.